Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ishani Gupta, RJ Ishani, and your public speaking coach. In this particular video, I'm going to share with you the second magic ingredient to become a motivational speaker. Yes, this is the part of the motivational speaking series, How to Become a Motivational Speaker, the three magic ingredients that I'll be sharing with you. So if you have not watched the first part, the first video, then I am sharing this link above. Just go and check that out. Now, if you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button because I'm going to produce really useful content for you on communication and public speaking. So you don't want to miss out on that, right? Okay, so the second magic ingredient that I've been talking about is your voice. Now, go and check out all the powerful motivational speakers out there. I'm going to share the links to some of the powerful videos of these motivational speakers. You can go and check out in the description box. And after you go and watch them out, you will find one thing in common. It is the impact that is being created by their powerful voice. Now, you must be thinking, Ishani, I don't have a powerful voice. My voice is very light. It just doesn't come out. Okay, I understand. So let me be a little more clear on this. By powerful voice, I don't mean that you have a heavy voice or a light voice. You can have a powerful voice despite having a light voice or a heavy voice. It doesn't matter. But what matters is how impactful that voice is. Now, just in a short while, I'll be breaking down for you what all it takes to have that kind of a powerful voice. So you don't have to worry at all. That is why this video is there for you. The first thing that you need to have a powerful and an impactful voice is how are you creating stresses on the words or phrases. How are you stressing a point and making your voice go up and down depending upon the impact that you want to create, depending upon the story, the message that you are sharing. Okay, so stress on a few words or a few phrases is very important, especially the important part that you want your audience to remember. So if you are stressing on those phrases, that means that your audience should be paying more attention to those phrases or those words. So when you are speaking a sentence, a statement, right, what kind of ups and downs are you making in your voice? That is called voice modulation, for your information. So voice modulation is basically either the pitch, which is the highness or lowness of your voice, or it is the volume. So are you increasing the volume or decreasing the volume, softening it or stressing a point? So all of these changes that you make to your voice based on the emotions that you want to express, that is called voice modulation. So depending upon the expressions that you want to project, your voice is going to increase or decrease according to the volume or the pitch, and that is called voice modulation. Even the intonation changes. So all of these things play a very significant role in creating that strong impact with your voice. And can you guess the next point? If you go and listen to any of these motivational speakers out there, you will notice this one thing again in common in almost all motivational speakers, and that is their energy levels. So almost all public speakers, and I'm talking about the established, the great speakers out there, they have high energy levels in their voice. So whenever they are speaking, they are projecting their energy not only through their voice, but also through their entire body language. So their actions, the way they are moving around on the stage, the way they are speaking, the expressions, everything is oozing out a lot of energy. Because when you give out a lot of energy, the audience is also going to feel that kind of energy. Then you need to speak slowly instead of fast. A lot of people, what they do is they speak very fast, or they tend to speak very fast because of maybe nervousness, or they just want to get over with it. Instead, you need to speak slowly. You need to slow down and speak at a pace that your audience is able to catch up with. So give your audience time to listen to you, to absorb what you're saying. If you don't do that, how are they going to understand what you want to say, what emotions you want to convey, what message you want to convey, right? So slow down and take your time to proceed with your story. Make it interesting by slowing it down. It is really interesting when you slow down a bit and you let your audience absorb what you want to share, right? Then you should be taking pauses in between. Even when people slow down, they still go on and on and on without pausing. That should not be done, okay? So instead, take pauses in between, especially at places where you want to create drama. Pauses help in creating that drama, that intensity that you want to create, because these things make your voice powerful. Your audience will know that yes, whatever you are saying, you know what you are saying. So they'll pay more attention to your words. Then speak with conviction. So whatever you are saying, be sure, be certain with what you want to share. If you are sure of what you are saying, that confidence will automatically reflect in your words, in your entire body language. You don't even have to do anything extra for that. It will automatically reflect in you, in your body language, even in your voice. So be certain of what you are saying. If you don't agree with what you are saying, or you are unsure of what you are saying, then you will have a shaky voice, and even the audience will lose confidence in you. They'll stop listening to you. We don't want that. So be sure, be certain, and have confidence in whatever you are saying. Now, the final tip that I want to give you and end this video with is pay attention to the points that I have just mentioned and practice those. Keep improving upon yourself with each practice. Refine your speech, refine the way you are speaking and delivering your speech. So once you do that, you are going to really make a great improvement in your speaking skills. All right, so that was all for today. And if you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button. It is really going to encourage me to produce more valuable content. And I'll see you next time with the final ingredient, the magic ingredient to become a motivational speaker.